Hello everyone, welcome to our family TV. Welcome to Maggie Beats Family TV. As you can see from the slide, I will be showing you how I do this necklace. You can add a brooch to it or you can wear it like that. Just stay tuned and see how I do this necklace.
I will pick one pearl, then three crystal in my right hand. Then I will use the left needle to pick 5. I will let it drop. So this is what we have now. Then I will pick with the same left needle, I will pick 2 pearls.
I will use the right needle to interlock with the 2 pearls. I will interlock from where the second thread by the left is coming out. So I will use the right needle where we have 5. So I will pick 5 crystal. So this is the 5 crystal I picked. I will use the left needle to pick 2 crystal as well.
I will use the left needle to interlock where the thread is coming out from. Then I will drag. So I will interlock with the right needle. You see, I started with one pair, 2 pairs, 3, 4. So that is how you'll be adding more until we get to 12.
Look into my heart and sing right to me. Look into my heart and sing what my love you are to me. What my love you are to me. Look into my heart and sing
This is how you will be adding one purse after the order to have this curve. So let me show you the finishing work or other work I do with the pegs. I start with 1 to 12, then move down to 1 again. So you have this curve like this. So let me show you how I fixed my hook on it. This is my thread. Now it's time to fix the hook. So I will pass through the pearl with the right in any of the needle. So I will pick 5 where we have 5 crystal. So I will use the other side, which is the left, to pick 3. So I will pick our hook now to interlock with the other needle. So I will pass my needle through all these beads to come to this corner here. It's out from the pearl here now. So the second thread is here. So I can decide to tie it here multiple times, then I will pass it through the 3 bead to meet the other one here. Then I will finally tie it there.
Do you like the earring? Do you want me to upload a tutorial of it? Let us know in the comment section and we will upload the video as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.